Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, the real hip hop. The real hip hop. The real hip hop. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah. I said from the hip hop since I beat up. Yeah, since I beat. 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 Yeah, yeah, the real hip hop. 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 Yeah, the real hip hop. Yeah, the real hip hop. Yeah, 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 Kush. Okay, number one cycle. Number one. This one's called Patience of Watching the Flower Grow. Yeah, yeah. 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 It's been many years without a project. I'm like McCarthy on the bench. I think it's my chance for me to play with these words. I need to exercise to make sense with my verse. Cause I'm getting fed with these tracks that I stuck on my hands, making this possible for your ears. I took my own time like a test match. Patience with myself, pay dividends. You never catch the evidence. I'm like Charlie Chaplin with the silent steps. I never let my enemy know my plans. I believe in myself, I'm not ashamed. I make mistakes but I'm still here. Cause I learned from the past, thanks to the universe. I used to clap as a fan. Now I got my own raps. You can tell by the fingerprints on my past. Patience of watching the flower grow. Paid off, you will know once it grow. Patience of watching the flower grow. Paid off, you will know once it grow. I got the sound that when it's a bad poet will accept, well it's a fact. I'm like David Blaine with the raging hand. I'm like a postman. I deliver flows not to impress, but to maintain excellence. I write poems that are relevant to the audience. They don't understand hip-hop is not a game. It's a movement with no measurement. I'm like a new student in this department. I'm a freshman, I got swag, I got no swag. Lyrically blessed, providing peeps with the street knowledge, making sure that the mentally move to the next level. I step away from these boxes, I'm not limited. I go everywhere, it's the cave, it's the place that I represent. Yo, patience of watching the flower grow. Paid off, you will know once it grow. Patience of watching the flower grow. Paid off, you will know once it grow. Hit me number 4. Yo, yo. 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 A combination of hands and brains turns words into braille. Cause everybody seems to be blind to understand what I state. Maybe they pretend to be active fools, but then again, who can pull a rock when you see 100 men with a concept placed in a backpack with a notepad, looking for a place to express himself like a slave back in the days. If you wreck, you better run away. This is my space. Look into my face, or better yet, put yourself in place in hell with your friends. Maybe then you will understand. I represent Motherwell and the whole bay. I ain't doing this to get laid. I ain't doing this to upsells. I ain't doing this to buy face. I ain't doing this to be fake like a mediocre fan base. I'm doing this in fact. I'm living this right here, right now, even in the next 10 years. Similar to musical, this is what I have in store for your ears. You better look, listen, and observe. Yeah, yeah, always conscious, always hip-hop, always conscious, always hip-hop, always conscious, always hip-hop, always. Yo, hit me number 3. Yo, Psycho. Yo, number 3. Yeah. Now, without further ado, without wasting time, this one is called Boom Bap Raps.
What?
Yeah. Yo, yo, I hear a lot of kids miming on the stage lying instead of trying to remember what they have been writing. They forgot the skills, they got no dedication for memorizing. I'm not fighting, I'm just asking, is the element of rhyming really dying? No one is doing something, everybody's watching, hating, blaming, scrutinizing without realizing that the level is declining. Like a doctor performing first aid operations, I came to revive it. Let my people listen to the songs of liberation, cause I got verses that resembles King Sinai speaking to the public. Intricate flows like my name was invented. Now hip-hop is so rhapsodic, so melodic. I can't explain it, but I can't express it. You can feel it when it's like the World Cup spirit. It's the boom bap sounds, boom bap raps, boom bap claps. Oh, it's a boom bap sounds, boom bap raps, boom bap claps. Oh, it's a boom bap sounds, boom bap raps, boom bap claps. Oh, oh, yeah. Patience of a lyricist mixtape. I'm just promoting a mixtape. I'm not gonna perform all the albums. Can you stop the beat of me dropping a cappella? The architect of apartheid requested for a sniper to shoot me because once in a cipher I said, we have been misled by the Mandelas and the Constitution writers. We are slave workers and messengers for the vampire investors. We need to apply the basics of owners and shareholders on your own, my brothers and sisters. From the painful hands of oppressors, my spirit suffers. The way they pay domestic workers, it makes me furious. Watching kids washing trousers for 7 days, cooking suppers, serving leftovers to gardeners, simultaneous like an octopus. Beat by beat at home she delivers. Came to the suburbs, searching for greener pastures, found domestic xenophobias. I want to be the first black Buremak and vanquish all these racist Afrikaners, giving power back to black farmers. My soul is conscious, unlike BE stakeholders who have become selfish monopolizers, pretending to be township improvers. All I see is capitalistic power destroyers, making promises like Don Collins will call it up a flow of employers. While waiting for answers, young sisters sit near shipping corners, saying Nigerian men are good performers. Young brothers are street commentators, buying newspapers to check who are the leading goal scorers. Stupid agencies are killing us, told us to keep quiet and follow orders. Yeah. Couple of 5 cents.
Right.